the table gives the population of Latvia for the years 1990 through 2008. Let's define some variables. We see year and population in millions. I will let T represent the year, and I will let capital P represent the population of Latvia, and that'll be in millions. We're asked to now graph the data on a scatter plot and find an eyeball best fit line. Alright, so I'm going to use T on the horizontal axis and capital P on the vertical axis. Again, we don't want to start at 0, and we see most of these go by 5, so I'm going to put a break in the axis, and I'm going to call this 1985, 1990, 1995, 2000, 2005, 2010. That should take care of all of our data points. Alright, and then the population, again, let's see, our minimum value is 2.27, our maximum is 2.67, so everything's between 2 and 3. So let me put a break in the axis here, and I'll call this 2. And then, let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That'll work. I'll call this 2.1, 0.2, 2.3, 2.4, etc. Alright, so now let's plot some points. 1990, 2.6567 would be about there. 1995, 2.52 would be about here. 2000, 2.37. 2005, 2.3. And 2008, so let's be careful here, 2008, 2.27 would be about here. Alright, so we have those data points. Let's find an eyeball best fit line. Alright, so to me, I think if I were to draw the line through the first point and the fourth point, that would give me a decent fit. So let's try that out. Alright, so I'm only getting through 2 of the points. I've got 2 points below and 1 point above. That looks okay. So I'm going to use that as my best fit line. And so recall that I'm using the first point and the fourth point. Alright, so now we're asked to find the equation of the linear model. And so again, I use the first point and the fourth point. So let me rewrite those as ordered pairs. 1990, 2.67, and 2005, 2.30, and again my ordered pairs are in terms of T, P, time and population. We'll first find the slope. So m is equal to 2.30, subtract 2.67, over 2005, subtract 1990. And so let's see, 2.3 minus 2.67 is negative 0.37. And 2005 minus 1990 is 15. So dividing, I get approximately negative 0.025. And I round it there. Alright, so now using one of the points, I'm just going to use the first point. So then I can write a point slope form. P minus 2.67 is equal to negative 0.025 by T minus 1990. P minus 2.67 is negative 0.025 t. Negative times a negative is positive, and negative 0.025 times 1990 is 49.75, and I took care of the negative already, negative times a negative being positive. I'll add on the 2.67 to both sides, and that gives us 52.42. So P is equal to negative 0.025 t plus 52.42. So there's the linear model for that data.